Hey guys, this is a follow-up to a really old video I did. This one, 99 Durango, has the no bus issue, except for this one is completely random when it happens. Now, what is no bus? No bus is a lack of communication from the PCM, aka it'll stall out. Now, what you'll see happen is your mileage display will flash no bus. Now let's see if we can get it to do it. This one is a complete random when it'll do it. So what we got going on here is right there at the mileage display, it'll start flashing and it'll show no bus, which means no communication. If you're driving down the road, it'll stall and die. You can get away with moving the middle connector and it'll run, but that's here nor there. This one failed, luckily, just in my neighborhood. I waited for it to cool down, unplugged, replugged in the middle connector, it was fine. Now, I'm going to show you guys, to a follow-up to my old video, that I found a wrecking yard PCM, or ECU, however you want to say it, and I'll show you that process here in a second. So, here we go, guys. This is the wrecking yard PCM that I got. Now, for a quick test, what we're going to do is unplug connectors. Look how easy that is. Now, plug it back in order, like that. And what you're going to do is start it. Give it a couple minutes with it running. As you can see, this ECU is non-security. So here we go. As you can see, again, that's non-security. I verified it was federal emissions like this one is. When you're doing this, you have to verify whether it's Cali emissions or Fed. And it will work. As you can see, the ECU is just hanging there and it's running. And as you can see right here, the mileage did not change. Yes, the mileage is stored in the computer, but the dash also retains the mileage. Now, I haven't completely tested this ECU/PCM yet. I'm going to drive around with it for a few days and see if it does no bus again. If it doesn't, then I know it's good. But this is a real simple and easy way. If you're on a budget, that PCM only cost me 50 bucks. I had to go through two of them to get the right one. Just make sure if it's for a 5.2, it's for a 5.2. If it's for a 5.9, it's for a 5.9. This applies to the first generation Durangos, Dakotas, and Dodge Rams.